Oh my God, oh my God.
Ooh, rain.
Woo! That's wild.
I hope Sandy's not on that. In there. I wonder if we're gonna get another clap.
Ah.
I've heard 2 of them so far.
Where was the lightning, at the front or the back?
Too light to see. Just saw a flash.
I didn't even hear it.
Yeah, yeah. It's close too. Like, as soon as a flash happened, literally like 2 seconds after it was thundering. So, it's above us.
Whoa! Whoa! Well, I've not seen it for ages. Yeah! Now this is what Melody likes. So think on. Well, I like sun as well, but come on, thunder.
Oh,
Thunder, yeah, thunder. Thunder under. I want to be a storm chaser.